have a favorite of your children, or have you been accused of favoritism?
I like my girls a little bit better.
Why?
Because as a man, you have to protect, provide, and love for your woman.
Do you trust them more than you trust
Yes, I
yourself?
do. I do. I trust them more because they're more sensitive, they're more caring, and they're thinkers. And like I tell my boys, when y'all get 18, y'all got to go. Girls can stay as long as they want.
I say the same exact thing.
Yeah, like,
Well, are you
Same exact
are you
thing.
serious when you say that?
yes, I do.
Are you serious?
I'm dead serious. Y'all can stay as long as y'all want. Take your time. Go to college. Get your master's. Get your doctorate. I'll pay for it. Take your time. I'm trying to teach them about all types.
So, yo, check this out. This actually goes into what I was actually talking about earlier here. And this is to why, again, black men are actually more appreciated in other races than black women are in other races. And the reason why is because of situations like this. Okay? Shaq is telling us that he is going to essentially spoil his daughters. Well, what happens to spoiled food? It goes rotten. Okay? But on the other hand, he's going to force his black sons to get out of his house when they turn 18. Well, you're essentially exercising their mind, exercising their character, exercising their ability to be a better person. And in the black community, average is below standard and above average is just average. But when you go over to these other races, average is above standard and below standard is average. So I hate to harp on this situation about black men and black women, but it kind of is what it is.